Hello and welcome to another iSaham tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to buy and sell shares using the Mplus platform. First, you're going to have to log in, and as you can see here, my username's already here. Just got to type in the password, and here we go. This is what you're going to first see when you log into the Mplus platform. You can search for the stocks you want through here, or you can just go to this little search bar and type in your share, KLCC, and enter. Okay, we have it right here. Make sure you clicked on it so it's nice and highlighted like this, and press on buy. An order entry, normal order window is going to open. You're going to have to confirm whether or not this is a share that you wish to buy. If it's really KLCC, you just have to look at the code over here. Oh, can't highlight that. Okay, 5235SS KLCC. Check it back over here, 5235SS KLCC, which makes it correct. Okay, let's move on. Now we have quantity. One thing you need to know about quantity is that it is in lots. So if I pick out, let's just say 2 lots, that means I'm purchasing around 200 units. And as for price, we have buy Q1, sell Q1, Q2, and Q3. This basically means that this is the number of people who are queuing to buy the share at this price, 7.760, and this are people who are queuing to sell. You can look at it over here. Now you can see over here that the number of orders that people have made to buy at this price is 2, and how much lots? Well, 12. Okay, let's just pick a random and silly number so that I don't match with anyone all of a sudden. Moving on to validity. As you can see right now, it's set today, which basically just means when the market closes for the day, your order is going to be cancelled automatically. So we don't want that. We're going to move it over to good till date and set when do we want our order to be cancelled or expire. So right now is the 26th. I'm going to just switch it over to the end of this week, which is Friday, which is the 29th, and send now. Of course, this is going to come up. All you're going to have to do is just put in your password. Your password you use to log into your account. That's all. It's very simple. It's not like you have to put in a special pin or something. Now, to review your order, all you have to do is just go to order status, and it'll show the order that you have made. It'll say what type it is. It's a buy type, and you have your code to double check whether this is the correct stock that you purchased, and most importantly, it has the last status. Right now the order is on order confirmed, which means that I've just ordered. It hasn't matched with anyone. Once it has matched with someone and I receive the shares, it will change to all match. However, if you do not like the order, you can also cancel it by just clicking and pressing on this little X button over here and cancel the order. Are you sure to cancel the order? Okay. Put in your password again, and it changes to order cancelled. Close that one more time. As for sell, it's the same thing as buying. It's completely the same. Thank you very much. I think that's all for today. If you have any inquiries or wish to open a CDS account, please look at the description below. And yet again, thank you very much for watching, and happy trading.